1.
Okay, we are here to talk about the Pythagorean Theorem. My buddy Nicholas is here with me, and we're going to talk about it so that we can do this at home over the weekend.
Exactly.
Because we're going to kill this thing.
Sure.
All right, so I want to look at, not that. I want to look at this one. So this is the Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, this is a triangle. It's got a right angle in it, and that's how you know this is a right triangle, and that's how you know this Pythagorean theorem should work, okay? So when you have a right triangle, see the point of the square? It always points to the long side, which we call the hypotenuse, okay? And that's your C. So this formula says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's saying that a, this side squared plus this side squared equals c squared, okay? All right, so here's what that means. If you take A and you turn it into a square, count the number there for me, please.
9.
Okay, and then you take B, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is 4, and you turn that into a square, 16. Okay, if you add A squared, right, plus B squared, together they should equal
25.
The square that you make for C, which is this. Yes. Okay, so let's see if we can. Well, I'll tell you what. So let's look at, I don't know if this is going to work because I can't see my face. Okay, so on this board, right, we have 3 squared, which is 9, 4 squared, which is 16, and 5 squared, which is 25. When you add up the beads in this one and in this one, it equals this one, okay? So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And that's how we know that this is a right triangle. If this is not true, if you do like, say you did a squared and b squared and it did not equal c squared, then this would not be a right triangle. Okay, all right. That's right. So the Pythagorean theorem would not work. Okay, well, yeah. All right, so let's look at today.
Yeah.
Like, is the bus here?
It just left. I think it just left.
It's 1:20.
I don't know. She said it was out there and it just left.
I don't know what to say. It's 1:20. I mean,
Who's the kid? We have Al. No, D'Anthony, right?
D'Anthony and Ivan, but I'm taking Ivan home later.
Okay. Well, where's D'Anthony?
He's down in class. I mean, that's what I'm saying. They're not even supposed to be out yet.
Okay.
They're not out till 1:30.
All right. Let me call them. All right. I'll call them
Okay.
over,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do we have to redo that video?
Jeepers.
No, tell me I have to redo that whole thing.
Ugh. Where is it? I don't know. I forget how to.
Oh, God, Mr. Gibson.
It's not my fault.
I don't have to redo this.
Jeepers.
You know I'm not good at this.
You're good. You're
I
fine.
was just smiling at the camera. Like, so,
You're
how
doing
you
good. All right. Here. Oh, see, it's still recording.
You're too calm when you do this.
I do.
I hate teachers sometimes. I don't hate.
All right. So this will be fun.